Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Fitness Show. So if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe. Today we'll be talking about African black soap. African black soap originated from West Africa and it is made up of ash from locally planted trees and dried peels, which gives the soap its characteristic color. A variety of black soap known as the Osi Dudu originated from Yoruba people of Nigeria. A combination of Osi Dudu with leaves of the tropical Kambo woods tree produce a particular kind of soap with exfoliating properties called the Dudu Osan soap. Black soap is found to have some antimicrobial properties against skin mycobacteria such as Staph aureus, E. coli, as well as Candida albicans. So if you are wondering how to use African black soap, this is what you must take note of. First of all, African black soap lathers with the little you take. So do well not to take too much. First of all, you wash your face with water, then you wet the bar in order to get some lather. With the soap in your hand, just wash your face in a circular motion for about 90 seconds, avoiding the skin on the eyelids. Rinse off with cool water, and for a deeper clean, you can use an exfoliating brush or a washcloth before rinsing it off. If you have a dry skin, apply moisturizer right away. And I repeat, if you have a dry skin, apply moisturizer right away. Upon first usage of black soap, even with oily skin, you might notice that the skin feels dry and tight, which should last for just a week. In theory, this is because the soap is drawing out impurities and excess oil, and the pH levels of the skin will eventually balance out after a few days. The soap can also cause some tingling sensation, sometimes burning sensation, leading to redness of the skin. So just as black soap has a lot of properties, it also has some side effects, and these side effects are just to a few people. Some people show allergic reactions, and this is common with a natural skin products, as they are not regulated on the amount of ingredients, purity of ingredients, as well as the lifespan of ingredients or the sources of ingredients. No one bar of soap has the exact ingredient concentration as another. If the skin gets overly dried or red or peels or itches, stop using the product and see a board certified dermatologist. Also, if you have a chocolate allergy or you are sensitive to caffeine, a high concentration of cocoa pods may pose an issue. If you want more information on African black soap, you can comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, you can click the like button, subscribe and share. This is Fitness Show once again, and we are here with informative news. Stay tuned for our next episode.